Welcome to We Talk DevOps, brought to you by IT Outposts. We will explore how companies can succeed in the digital era by implementing DevOps, without complex jargon, to give you a clear and accessible understanding of these processes. I'm Alex, your host, and my voice is powered by 11 Labs. We're big fans of DevOps culture at IT Outposts. You could call us DevOps evangelists, but everyone has their own take on what DevOps culture really means. For our team, it boils down to a few core principles. Everything described as code. In a true DevOps culture, everything project critical should be described as code. We can't just spin up a new resource with some quick manual steps, forget to add it to the code, and leave it as a hidden issue that nobody knows about. So, IAC is one of the pillars DevOps stands on. One trusted source. There should be one canonical source of truth for your applications, one Git repository where everything resides. We never have 4 different repos all trying to solve the same problem in different ways. Branch for everything DevOps culture emphasizes branching early and often. Ideally, we have separate branches for experimentation, preparing production releases, etc. Trying to cram all the changes into a single master branch is a bad habit. Using branches properly makes it much easier to manage versions and modifications over time. Automate everywhere we automate as much as possible to remove risk from manual human processes. People inevitably get fatigued, distracted, or forgetful sometimes, but automated processes don't. That's why we configure automated CI/CD pipelines, run automated tests, and avoid anything being a manual burden. If our team does have to do something manually at first, we immediately start looking for ways to automate this process. Security. First mindset security isn't an afterthought. It's prioritized from day one. Opening everything up to the entire internet while testing and then forgetting to close ports isn't a great idea. Everything is locked down by default, with only the minimum necessary access provided when needed. So, these are core principles of the DevOps culture. IAC, single source of truth, branching, automation, and security-first mindset are what DevOps is all about to us. Have you encountered similar principles in your work? We'd love to hear your take. That's all for today. Thank you for joining us. I was glad to share the latest news and ideas about DevOps with you. If you want to learn more about how to enhance DevOps practices in your business, be sure to check out the additional information in the description of this episode. Add We Talk DevOps to your favorites to not miss our future releases. And remember, every little automation brings us closer to greater achievements. This is Alex, and you've been listening to We Talk DevOps. See you soon.